In this video, we will explore feedback entries. The primary purpose of feedback is to bridge the gap between your planned production and what actually happens on the factory floor. Every works order contains two separate sets of data: the expected standard, pulled from your bill of materials, and the actual values captured during production. These actual values are known as feedback entries. By feeding in these actual figures, Expedite allows you to monitor real-time production. This is essential for seeing variances, identifying wastage, and improving overall efficiency. It is important to note that feedback can only be captured when a works order is in an active state. In Expedite, this corresponds to a status of 20, started, and anything less than 40, finished. You can capture a wide range of data, including machine times, labor times, raw material quantities, and your final production output. The data captured here is not just for reporting, it is the source of truth for your financials. Feedback is what is ultimately posted to your accounting system to ensure accurate costing. Using feedback entries ensures your manufacturing data stays precise and your accounting stays in balance. If you need further assistance, please contact Expedite support at info@expedite.co.za.